Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, today we will learn how to write ha. Today we will learn how to write ha. There is only a letter ha in Arabic, but the patterns of ha are 6. That's why we have to know what are them. What are them? How many patterns of ha are there and how to write them. Okay? Then let's start. I am again writing this ha. This is one type of ha. This type of ha can be used at the beginning of a word because there is a joining point after this ha. Let's see again. This is a joining point. With this point you can write another letter after the ha. That is why if you want any ha at the beginning of a word, then you have to use this type of ha, because there is no joining point before this ha, only a joining point after this ha. So you can use the joining point after this ha. That's why it must be at the beginning of a word. Okay, let's see another ha. This is another ha. This type of ha you can use at the middle point of a word because there is a joining point before this ha, and that one is this one, and another joining point after this ha. There are two joining points. That's why this type of ha will be used as a medial form, of a word. Okay, medial letter. Okay, and another ha is as like this type of ha. How to write it? This, almost same. There is a gap for this ha, the under part, and there is no gap for this ha. Almost same. Okay, let's see other three ha's. Okay, this is one ha. Okay, I am saying another thing. These two types of ha can be used at the middle of a word because there are two joining points. Here is one joining point and another joining point is here. Like this, here is a joining point and another joining point is at the ending of this ha. So these two types of ha can be used at the middle point of a word. Okay, if you want to write ha at the end of a word, then you have to write this ha, because there is a joining point only before this ha. There is no joining point after this ha. So this type of ha can be used at the ending letter at the end of a word. Okay, and another ha is almost same. This is blocked under the letter, but there is no blocking point of this letter. Almost same. Okay, and the last one is this ha. Okay, so I guess you have already known there are 6 ha's. There are 6 patterns of only one letter ha, and those are: this is the beginning ha, this is the medial ha, these are medial ha, and these two are the ending ha, and this is isolated ha. This is isolated ha. I am again telling you, this is the beginning ha, and these two are medial ha, and these two are ending ha, and this one is isolated ha. There is no joint. there will never be joined with this ha. If you want to write ha without any joining before or after ha, then you have to write this ha. Okay? There are some situations when you are not allowed to join ha with other letters. Okay, in that situation you have to write this ha. Okay, so these 6 types of ha. I am sharing with you another important point, and that is these 3 types of ha can be converted into ta. These 3 types of ha can be converted into ta, like this. Okay, I have written it again because I have to make you understand. Okay, these 3 types of ha can be converted into ta when we give 2 noktas above this letter, then it will be converted at ta. When we give 2 noktas above ha, it will be converted into ta. Okay, similarly, when we give 2 noktas of this ha, it will also be converted as ta. It will also be converted as ta, and the option of this type of conversion will be applicable only for these 3 types of ha. Okay, these 3 types of ha can be converted into ta if you give 2 noktas above them, but these 3 types of ha can never be converted into ta. Okay, if you want to convert ta using ha, then you have to follow these 3 types of ha. Okay, these 3 types of ha. These 3 types of ha can be converted into ta, but these 3 types of ha can never be converted into ta. Okay, okay. In future I will teach you why these 3 types of ha can be converted into ta. In which reason? What is the reason? Okay, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.